I opened it halfway for you. Open it. It's for you.
Maybe it's not open. It's stuck actually.
Look, so.
You need to open.
I opened it halfway for you. You want to try opening it? Yeah, take it out. Take it out. Yeah. It's an early birthday gift.
Let's open it. Open the paper.
Uncle George gave it to you. Do you remember George? Oh, what is it? Oh, no. Take that out. You don't need that. Look. Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
What's inside?
Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is that?
No, let him just like enjoy ripping it. Open it.
What is it?
Don't.
What?
No one.
I don't understand you. Wheels? You spinning the wheels already? Take it out. Take it out. Look, I'll help you. Push it. Pull it. Look, grab it. Oh, it rips. It rips. Little American flag skateboard. Wow. Whoa. What is it? Oh, whoa.
Wow.
What is that? Wheels. Oh, that's cool. Wow. You like it? So, you like it?
Wow.
Yeah, you can do that with it. That's nice. That's really nice. Wow. Look at that. So look at me. You like it? Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, George. You say thank you.